Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to my sewing room. I'm back today with another sewing pattern haul. I know I just posted one of these a few days ago, but those are all simplicity patterns that I had caught at Joann's $1.99 sale. And then I found out that today started the sale for the McCalls $1.99 patterns. So I picked up, let's see, 13 patterns that I want to show you. There was lots more that I kind of wish I had got, but I think it's fun with the $1.99 sale to put yourself on a bit of a budget, and that way you really get what you want instead of just buying so much just because it's $1.99. So my process for the $1.99 sale is I go through every single cabinet. I pick out all the ones that I would just love to have. And then I make a maybe pile and a keep pile, and then I go through the maybe pile and make a maybe and a trash pile, and so on until I've narrowed it down to things that I really love. I am looking forward to pattern hacking now that I'm just really learning more about my own style and how to sew and what I like and what I don't. So some of these patterns I liked for the top or the bottom, certain design features that I feel can be used for me in different ways. I think 2 of these patterns I already had, but I had them when I first started sewing, and I remember cutting the wrong size of one and then some other way of messing up the other one, and so I did buy 2 duplicates. I've probably never shown them here because I'm pretty sure it was before I started doing hauls or really tutorials or anything like that. So I want to get into it. I want to show you the patterns and let you know what my favorite details about the patterns are and why I chose them. Also coming up, we have the video from my trip to Atlanta to go fabric shopping, where I went to Gail K Fabrics and Fine Fabrics. I don't know if this is coming first or that's coming first. Possibly this, because this is a quick little video and I should be able to shoot, edit, and upload it today. So we'll see what happens. Also, I want people to know about the sale. It just started today and I believe it's over in 2 days. And so I want to get this video up so that way people can know about the sale. This is the best time to buy patterns. After you buy them for $1.99, it's very hard to buy them again when they're not on sale. And so definitely something I wanted to let you guys know if you didn't already know. So let's get into the patterns. And so I'm going to hold these up, and then there will also be close-up shots. So let's start with McCall's M7951. I really love this dress. I love this dress so much that I have it in paper pattern over here, cut out. Their McCalls had online a few days ago digital patterns on sale, but something about the way that I printed this, it didn't go together well, and it just made me really nervous about sewing it up. So to get this for $1.99, I was super thrilled about. I love the cutouts on the side and the back. I think it's just a really gorgeous dress. I love how the shoulder strap dips really low on view D. I just really love this pattern. This one will definitely be coming very soon because, like I said, I've already started working on getting the digital version put together, and so that's something I want to make very soon. Next, we have McCall's M7950. And I really love this dress. I love view B the most with the cutout and the tie. I've been trying to dress a little spicier here lately. I've always been teased my whole life about dressing too old for my age. I think I've always been rather confused about my own personal style. I think I've always sort of been in costume. As a college student, I dressed as a typical college student would. As a new mom, I dress like a new mom. As a new wife, I dress like a new wife. I've never really had personal style. I was the girl who would go into Saks and buy the outfit right off the mannequin, just the way it was put together, call it a day. And so now to really kind of be figuring out who I am, they say that's what happens in your 30s. So here we go. I'm looking forward to it. So yes, for me, it's definitely gonna be view B with the tie and the little cutout, which I also enjoy because if you're a mom, you have a little bit of a mom belly, you get to show off skin without showing off the jiggly bits. And so B is really cute. D is cute too with the tie shoulders. I'm into tie shoulders lately. I'm actually working on 2 tie blouses at this moment. And I'm actually working on A from this with the tie top. And I'm doing it in digital format that I bought when I bought the other one. And this is McCall's M7937. And so I just really wanted to have it in paper version. I don't always do well with the digital versions. My printer is also in my closet with sewing stuff on top of it, so when I pull it out, I do think it's been damaged in some type of way. And so I didn't want to assemble the pant pattern for this in digital format, so I'm happy to have this. I think it is really cute. On my dress form, I have the yellow that I'm working on, but I'm doing the view A top and a big full skirt to go with it. So that video will be coming fairly soon. It's something I've been working on for the past couple of weeks, but a bunch of stuff just kept jumping in front of it. Okay, so clearly I am into the cutout. Next, we have McCall's M7789. And this one is really, really cute. I think I want to do the jumpsuit with this and maybe not the little stomach cutout. Oh, I think they all have the stomach cutout. So I just picked up some polka dot fabric when I was in Atlanta on my fabric shopping trip, and that's what they've done this line art here. So this pattern can be done as a skirt or as the jumpsuit, but I definitely want to do the pants. I've never really tried wearing or making like a wide leg pant like this, and it is really, really super in right now. And so this is definitely something that I want to make before the summer is out. Okay, next we have McCall 7745. I love the little show of the thigh here. I think this is super sexy, but can be done in a very classy way. So really, really, really in love with this pattern. I am really in love with florals lately as well, especially big print florals, and you'll see those in my haul from Atlanta. I can't wait for you guys to see that, but definitely into the florals. Try on this M7745. Okay, next is McCall's M7740. There is definitely a theme here that I am noticing. I am super into cutouts, clearly, but I like this one because view C is actually my favorite. The front is very much covered up, and then it has an open back with a tie, and you can either do one tie at the neck or 3 ties going down, or a small tie right in the middle. And so I think the 3 ties going down would be good for me and kind of hiding a bra, the boob situation. But view C is just super cute. I really love that. Next we have a vintage reproduction one, and this is McCall's M7599. Not even really sure if it's a vintage reproduction or if it's just styled to look like a vintage dress. But it's great fun. It's a simple summer dress. I see me doing a lot of these. It looks fairly easy to sew. I like both versions with the straps and with the ties at the shoulders. And so this is really cute. And this also contains pattern pieces for the petticoat to go under there, which I'm also working on at the moment, a petticoat. And you'll see all of that in one of the next couple of videos coming up. I'm not sure which order these are all coming out in. Next we have McCall's R11420. And this is for a cute romper, either in shorts or full length pants, and then 2 different versions of a robe. And so this is loungewear, which I really like. I am struggling to be comfortable and still be cute while at home. And like today is a super rainy day. And so we're in the house all day. We've been hitting up the pool pretty much every day, but not today. And so I'm dressed, as you can see, but because I am filming, but I would like to have clothes for filming that are cute and comfortable and functional. And so I think this would be a cute little number to make with the robe as well. I'm always super chilly with the air conditioner going, so McCall's R11420 is really cute. And this is McCall's M8175. I am pretty sure I made this. I think this is the pattern that I used for the lemon dress. If it is, I will link it up here, but I really think this is the exact one that I used. I cut that dress too big, a couple of sizes too big, and so that was the reason why I bought it again. But it's a super cute dress that also has the cutout. So like I said, clearly there is a theme here. This next one, M8195, I also have made a video on, so I won't talk about it a lot, but this was another one that I cut too big. And I really love the dress and the way it came out. It was just way too big. I even did it in the green gingham like they have on here. I will link that video in case you want to see it. But for $1, I thought it was worth replacing my pattern. Next, we have McCall's M8084. And once again, the whole tie vibe in the front, but this one I like view C the most, and it has an elastic waist, so I'm guessing this will be pretty simple. There's no sleeves to set in or anything like that, and so this should come together fairly quickly and fairly cutely. I mean, if that's a thing, I don't know. I just wore a dress very, very similar to this when I was in Atlanta. I will insert a picture of me wearing it, and it was rather expensive, and it's literally this dress, and so I could make me like 5 for what I paid for that one. Next, we have M7962. For this one, I was really just into the shorts. I love these crop tops, but I don't want a top that cropped. I guess I could make it a little longer. B&D is just a super cute outfit. I mean, these shorts are just super amazing. I really, 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 really want to make a pair. I do think I had this pattern before, cut it at the wrong size, lost some of the pieces, and so that was a replacement. The last one, McCall's M8033. This is just a really, 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 really cute dress. I love all 3 variations. I think depending on the fabric choice, this can go formal, it can go picnic, it can go errand running. I think it just all is in the fabric. I love the shorter sleeve on view B that's puffier. The view A has a longer sleeve. This is just really cute. I definitely see me getting a lot of use out of this pattern. So yeah, some of these were duplicates, but I had my reasons. I'm happy to now finally know my McCall's pattern size. I started off just following the measurements, and I was cutting 18s and 16s and nothing was coming out right. And then I started cutting 12s and they were too small. And so I am a 14 in McCall sewing patterns. And so now that I'm learning to do the full bust adjustments, I could possibly get away with the 12s in some of them, but I'm doing mock-ups and things now. We're really getting into this sewing thing. So thank you for being here. Let me know which of the patterns are your favorites. Let me know what you would like to see me tackle or make, or what techniques you would like to see me try, or any just suggestions, insight, anything to help or encourage is greatly appreciated. And I will see you in the next video that is soon and sure to come.